NASA, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, presents Aeronautics and Space Report.
Last year, more than 10,000 wildfires occurred in the state of California and were put out by that state's major fire protection agencies. William Innes is a meteorologist on the staff of the state forester in Sacramento.
Yes, this location is typical of a good many thousands of acres throughout the state. And as you can see, this particular stand of vegetation has been completely cured out by the hot weather, and it will remain so until the fall rains come.
This unit at the California Division of Forestry's Sunol Forest Fire Station suppressed some 250 fires last year. Knowing where fires are probable and how they might act is almost as important as the men and equipment actually fighting them. Just behind the Sunol station is a remote experimental device that senses when conditions are right for a fire to occur. The information is then beamed to the orbiting Earth Resources Technology satellite. Dr. Henry Lum, research scientist at NASA's Ames Research Center near San Francisco, explains.
The California Division of Forestry wanted an automatic data gathering system which they could use to obtain data all year round. We looked at the project. The project was fairly interesting to us. We did have the necessary equipment and the know-how to develop a system to meet their needs. So we got together with the state, and between the state furnishing us the sensors and we developed the electronics, we have now a joint experiment in operation.
Every day, the Earth Resources satellite relays forest fire information to a tracking station in the Mojave Desert, and then electronically passes the signals on to the Goddard Space Flight Center in Greenbelt, Maryland. Computers sort out the coded data there and return it to Ames via teletype. The information is processed at Ames in a manner which the California Division of Forestry can use. Fire index measurements that are prepared from the data include wind velocity and direction, air temperature, relative humidity, and fuel moisture, which tells how much moisture there is in the dead vegetation on the forest floor. Finally, the processed data is sent on a facsimile line to the Division of Forestry in Sacramento, where they analyze the information and determine if a critical fire condition exists. The entire process takes no more than an hour. Once again, meteorologist William Innes.
Well, we feel that current and timely weather information is very important in managing our firefighting resources. And up to the minute, weather information can have direct application into how we respond to fires, anticipating the number of fires and something about the fire behavior, and hopefully give us a little bit of a jump on managing our firefighting resources.
Fighting forest fires with space technology, a new approach to an old problem.
This has been an Aeronautics and Space Report presented by NASA, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration.